Hey, awesome scientists! Welcome back to Enlightened Mind, kids, where learning is fun, messy, and full of wow. Today we're doing 3 super cool science experiments that you can try right at home. No lab needed, just a little curiosity and a whole lot of fun. So, let's dive into some DIY science experiments at home. They're easy and super fun for kids. Let's make a mini volcano, right in a cup. Here's what you need. First, add 2 spoonfuls of baking soda to your cup. Next, add a little dish soap. This makes your eruption foamy. Then, mix in a few drops of food coloring for that lava effect. Now get ready. Pour in the vinegar and watch it erupt. Whoa, that's your own fizzy volcano! Science tip. This is a chemical reaction between baking soda, which is a base, and vinegar, which is an acid. It releases carbon dioxide. Yeah, that's what makes all those bubbles. Ready for some rainbow magic? Let's make water walk and colors mix. First, fill the first, third, and fifth cups with water. Next, add red to the first, yellow to the third, and blue to the fifth. Now fold some paper towels into strips and place them like bridges between the cups. Watch closely. The water starts walking through the paper towels and mixes in the empty cups. Soon, you'll see a beautiful rainbow appear. Science tip. This happens because of capillary action. Water moves up the paper towel and spreads, carrying the color with it. Get ready for a color explosion in a bowl of milk. It's like fireworks in slow motion. First, pour some milk into the bowl, just enough to cover the bottom. Next, add drops of different food colors all around the surface. Then, dip a cotton swab in dish soap and gently touch the milk surface. Watch what happens. Wow, look at the colors dance! Science tip. The soap breaks the surface tension of the milk and pushes the fat around, taking the colors on a ride. That was amazing, right? Which experiment was your favorite? The volcano, rainbow, or milk explosion? Let me know in the comments, and if you try any of these at home, ask a grown-up to help and share your results with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome science and fun learning every week. Because here at Enlightened Mind, science is fun, and you are the scientist.